very little to clean up on this one. They didn't add a lot. It's 64 to these. All the wiring came off with the teardown. I've already made, first try. I already made one trip to the dump. I'll go back again. But they didn't put much on there. And that one bolt back there, oh, that was close. I just manhandled it before instead of taking it off. And I have no idea what those pieces of rubber were, but we're not going back with them. Now, as for the jack's fine. I could put a new jack on it, but I don't know. They're round. It's got this kind of cool shape to it, and it works. It works. And it's original. Probably if it was a customer, I might see if they wanted a new one, but that's part of the soul of this camper. And I'm feeling this camper pretty good now, so I'm going to leave that on there. Now, I'm going to pressure wash it, and then I'm going to inspect the welds and make any adjustments that I need to make. Two walls and the floor. I am going to now get my screw gun, and I am going to put, you see, like, how about that? 3 screws right there, 3 screws right there, and that was enough. You see how sturdy that was. That's probably fine, and I don't think they would put more than that in from the factory. I'm not the factory. I'm not building it for 500,000 people. That was probably an exaggeration. But I'm building it for one person at a time. So I can put a few more screws in there, feel great about it going down the road. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Russ will probably, he likes you guys. He'll probably give you a double time. But you can think about these small trailers, it just does not take that much time. So I have got the maximum amount of screws that I really want to put in there. Everything was sturdy to start with. You saw when I put it up, it didn't do any of that, but it's even more sturdy now, and that's how I always do it. Usually I will wait till I lay it down onto the trailer, then I'll put those extra screws in it, but we're not doing that on this project, on this build, as you know. I'm looking out now at the trailer that we had pressure washed. It's drying out, and it's pretty warm out, and there's a good breeze. So chances of me bringing that in and putting some paint / undercoat on it are pretty strong here shortly. So we'll see how that goes. That'll, I'll clean this up first, and then I'll do that. I'll bring it to you. that's something I don't usually show you on camera, and I don't know why I don't. I just thought I would. We get bubble on with the yellow level, and then I take this little guy and I hit all the outriggers. And the two back outriggers, oh, did you see that? The two outriggers on each side were off bubble, both going the same way down, which is okay, because I just took a small sledgehammer, banged them a little bit, and they were only probably a 1/4 inch off of bubble. And I brought them up. Now, I just wanted to show you that that's how we check them. Make sure that they're where they should be. Once the yellow level is on bubble, then we bubble everything, and that squares us up. So not a big deal as far as this video goes, but it's something that you might want to do once. I mean, you're sitting on your level garage or your shop, and just one more trick to make everything square up easier. And the more you're bubbled on, the more square you are, the easier your parts go together, the easier your carpentry goes together. That's why they call it a carpenter square. It's probably not, but that's how I feel about it. So, just wanted to show you that little tip, little trick that I use to get everything bubble on before I keep going.